So in this video, I will make a demonstration making the 3D scan with the adapter and merge a thin object. This one is really thin and it has no feature, flat chips on the PCB. I have tried to scan this lamp module since last year, but I couldn't merge it. And the second object, plastic part, a black color. Lamp module is very thin, so if I place on the turntable, even though that the Creality Scan 4 can remove the turntable, but it's too thin, so I need to raise them up using the pyramid 3D print one. So I'm going to scan it flat, parallel to the turntable, one scan, two scans, and for the bridging scan, I will use this scan for a merging purpose only. So I will use a Laptop Pro 7 line. So it will be the same as when you use the Laptop original to scan. Okay, I'll start the scan with the global marker. I'm going to import it and use the point cloud with the 0.1mm resolution. Scan in the parallel line, 7 lines. Hold the control key, select all 3 scan, click on fusion. Okay, I'm gonna choose 0.1 for the resolution and noise removal. I will select the default value 50%. Okay, so we have 3 scan ready for merging. I'll click on mesh processing, alignment. You can try using automatic alignment first. See here, it's not aligned properly. So you need to do a manual alignment. In the manual alignment menu, you need to choose the bridge scan on the fixed window. So this is your fixed window. This object will be fixed. So you need to display a bridge scan on this fixed window. And on the floating window, you can either select RAM 1 or the RAM 2. We are going to merge one pair at a time for manual merging. So what you need to do is you turn your bridge scan in the same direction as the alignment scan. So I'm going to hold the shift key and select a corner of the chip here. That will be corner number 1. I do the same on here, and this will be corner number 2 right here. You can see that if I place the object in the vertical position perpendicular to the turntable, it's going to give a striking line. Put it parallel to the turntable, there is no striking line. So next I'm going to click on aligned. See here, it's going to align. First scan now is aligned to the bridge scan. So next you are going to lamp 1 and the bridge scan will be displayed on the fixed window. You are going to click here on the scan number 2, which is the back side of the RAM module. So I will turn this into a hole here that I can use for alignment. And there is a corner here I can use. And for the top, yeah, I can use this corner here. So now all 3 scan is aligned. Click on exit Now this is the 3 scan merged together. So if I turn off the bridge scan, see here it gives you a better quality because the bridge scan was scanned in the perpendicular to the turntable, so it doesn't give a good quality scan. Okay, now you can delete the bridge scan to save the space of your hard drive, and then you can mesh it to scan together. We have 1.1 million triangles, so I will use 1.1. Okay, this is the merged lamp module, 1.2 millimeters in the thickness. I couldn't do this last year. I've tried over and over just to be able to merge this thin lamp module, but I couldn't do it until they update their software to this Creality Scan 4 1.2.8. Until now, I haven't found any object that I cannot merge yet. Their merging algorithm is far ahead of the competitors in the market right now. So if you can merge this, you can merge anything. Okay, next let's try to scan this tail light clamping, 0.1 millimeter. Okay, I'm going to fill this 3 scan in a batch default value 0.1, noise removal 50%. The first scan was use automatic exposure. This is the second scan. There is some noise here. So what you have to do is fuse it again. This time I will increase the noise removal 70%. Okay, so the noise reduced. It's a small gap, so I need to manually remove this. Just welding together. Bridge scan. It's contain 2 sides of the information. Align this. This will be a bridge scan. This will be a tail light 1. So there is a dot here that I can use. 1, 1, 2, 3. Aligned. Okay, so scan 1 is aligned to the bridge scan. So I will turn on the scan number 2. Turn this to the other side. And this will be 2. For the 3, I pick here on the sides. Okay, so all 3 scan is aligned. I need to delete this support. It's not totally delete. So this is the good part of this Creality Scan 4, when you can turn off some of the scan after alignment. Okay, this should be a complete scan. For the third one, if I turn the third one on, the quality of the scan is not better. I should keep it off, so I will delete it. Okay, I will mesh it. Meshing 1 million. Apply. Okay, now it's mesh. With a good alignment. And if you want to manually fill the holes here, you can go to edit and click on the hole filling. Click on manual. Automatic hole filling is not working right now. You need to do it manually. I like using the tangent. Click on the hole that you want to fill it. And click on OK. So now you have a watertight model that you can print, but you can't print this. Actually, it's too thin to print with the FDM printer. I don't think you can print this. Okay, so this is not possible to do with the previous version of the Creality Scan software. Okay, before I go, let's try to scan the same thing with River Point Metro X. Okay, this is River Scan 5.6.9. Resolution is set to minimum 0.15. Parallel lines, marker tracking, black object, and the marker radius is 3 mm. This is the inner circle radius, and I'm going to turn on automatic exposure. High quality fusion, 0.15 for the resolution. This is a bridge scan. I have only 34K points. Apply. So this is all it can capture. Okay, let's merge them together. Let's try automatic merging. It might work. I need to do it manually. I need to click on here. 1, 2. I try to find. Okay, I found it. 3. Okay, it's already aligned. You can only align one pair at a time. You need to generate the model first. No. They say it cannot merge. Okay, it can merge now. I can find one here. I can find 2 here. Yeah, I think it's about here, number 3. Okay. It looks a little bit unusual. Let me it merged the wrong way. It cannot merge. This is the front side. The front and the back side, it's yeah, it's failed to merge. It says it can, but actually it's failed to merge. This is wrong. The Metro X and the River Scan 5.6.9, it has no capability to 3D scan a black object like this, and it cannot capture the sidewalls. And even though it can capture, it cannot use the bridge scan to merge these 3 scans together. Alright, thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.